Alright guys, so this is a quick video of how to do AN lines. I'm using a PPTE line, this 6 AN fitting. So usually you want to put tape around the section you want to cut, and then you cut it off. I already have this cut to where I need it to, and then usually you have tape to hold these barbed wires. But mine fits on just like that. And then you just want to spread it out a little bit. I actually ended up cutting it shorter because I needed it shorter, so I will show you guys how to cut it later on in the video. Make sure it's pushed all the way down where you can see that lip right there. And then usually most kits come with this. You're just gonna force it in there, spin it around a couple times and make sure it's good. Then you're gonna get this part and squish it all the way down. I recommend getting yourself some AN wrenches or AN adjustable wrenches if you don't want to scratch your fittings. I usually don't end up scratching them as I only have one pair, and you're gonna need 2 pairs. But so when tightening them, you want them to butt up next to each other. It's gonna get real tight, so that's when you know you're good. If you're having trouble getting it there, it's because that mesh is getting on the thread. So make sure that mesh isn't on the threads, and you should be good. Make sure to get some safety glasses and gloves if you have some. I didn't have gloves, but if you have a bench clamp or something like that, that is highly recommended. Cutting it by hand is a little sketchy, but if you take your time, you'll be alright. So go slowly. Just like that. And the same way. You don't want to lose that part. So, like I said, just like that. Take the tape off. Make sure that's all lined up. And we'll get that tool again. Double check that didn't move. And put this in there. So I usually use Evil Energy lines and fittings, and they usually go in with no problem. This one's a different brand, so it didn't want to go in exactly, so I did have to add a little bit of lube for it to go all the way in. After you get some lube and get it all the way in, you should be good. Same way as last time. And just like that, you got your line. Like I said, mine will be going right there. Alright, that's it guys. See you on the next one. Thanks for watching guys. Drop a like and subscribe, and if you guys have any questions at all or the tools that I use, just drop a comment below and I'll get back to you.